In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Amazon Prime video quality. By the end, you'll know how to switch between data-saving modes and the sharpest picture so your streaming looks the way you want, whether you're on a web browser or using the Windows app. Let's start with the quickest method while a video is playing. Open Prime Video, start your show or movie, and bring up the on-screen controls. On a computer, that usually means moving your mouse so the playback bar appears. Look for the gear icon for settings on the video player. Click it, and you'll see quality choices like Good, Better, and Best. Pick the one that fits your needs. Good is the most data-friendly and can help if your connection is limited. Better strikes a balance between clarity and bandwidth. Best gives you the sharpest picture, ideal for bigger screens or when you want maximum detail. Keep in mind, the quality you choose here applies to this playback session only, so the next time you watch something, you may need to set it again. If you prefer to set quality before you hit play in the Windows app, you can do that too. Open the Prime Video app on Windows, head to the app's Settings, and find the Streaming Quality section. Choose your preferred level there, so playback starts closer to what you expect without adjusting midstream. You can still bring up the gear icon during playback if you want to tweak it on the fly. A few quick notes to avoid surprises. If you don't see the gear icon right away, move your cursor or tap the screen to reveal the controls. If certain options are missing or grayed out, the app may be responding to your current network speed, your display's capabilities, or the title's available formats. Switching to Best won't force a resolution your device or connection can't sustain, but it will try to deliver the highest your setup supports. For the best picture and fewer buffering pauses, use a stable Wi-Fi connection instead of a congested or weak network. If streaming suddenly looks worse than usual, restart the app or your device and then recheck the quality setting. Also be aware that new subscription plans can influence available resolutions by default. For example, some tiers may keep 4K for higher plans, so even with Best selected, you may be capped based on your membership. That's it. With these controls, you can dial in quality for crisp visuals or conserve data when you need to. Enjoy your show.